Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys will be definitely fit and fine. And I Yashoda, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, first of all, I want to share my feelings with you because a day before yesterday, my aunt passed away, and I know it's very difficult situation for me, but still I'm making video for my subscribers. I'm making video for my passion. I'm making video for those who want to speak English. The purpose of my making video is only to motivate them. I know it's very difficult situation for me to handle it, but I have to do this. I have to do this for my all learners, all English learners. Friends, my aunt passed away a day before yesterday, and so that I had to go their hometown for attending funeral rites. And I have I had come last night at 11 p.m. and I'm making this video without making any script, because I want to share my feeling. I don't want to tell you anything about how to learn English, how to improve your English, how to enhance your vocabulary. My today's aim, actually, I just want to explain my feeling, how I'm feeling now, because this is the reality of the life. This is the reality of the life. We all have to gone through this. Friends, it's a life, and life always goes on. It will never wait for anyone. So friends, my purpose is for making this video only. I want to tell you one thing, that life is very short. We have very less time. We don't have enough time. And if we want to fulfill our dreams, if you want to be a fluent English speaker, then you have to be consistent on your goal. You have to consistent on your English speaking practice, because when life is end, everything will be end, will be, always be dream, and you will not able to fulfill your dream. So friends, if you want to love your parents, if you want to love your father, mother, so please, if you want to fulfill their dreams, if you want to show them, yes, now you are good, now you are doing good things, now you are be a fluent English speaker, at least make them feel proud. Make them feel proud. And because life is very short, I can't explain my feeling. And so that I'm telling you, friends, you have to I think you have to gone crazy about it. If you want to learn English, then you must have to do it. Okay friends, you have to do it for you will have to do for your parents, for your family, for yourself, for your career. Please friends, please don't waste your time. Don't waste a single minute of your life. Life is precious. And friends, I want to tell you one thing, that Only because of consistency you can achieve everything in your life. Consistency is the key of success. If you want to be success in any kind of your field that you want, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a businessman, if you want to be a bank accountant, if you want to be a good English speaker, then in every field, you have to learn English. You have to speak English because nowadays English is a compulsory language, and it's a language by which we can communicate to each other in whole over the world. We can communicate with any kind of person. It's in from the foreign or it's from the our country. Okay, friends? So that you have to learn English for your future, for your parents. And be careful. Be careful. Take care of your parents. Take care of yourself. Take care of your neighborhood. Take care of your children. Take care of your whole society. Because our the purpose of life is not living for only ourselves. We have to live for the others. We are alive. If we are alive, then we have to help others. Okay, friends? So always take care of the others. Always think about the others. Never be selfish. Okay, friends? So, friends, without wasting any time, I want to say bye bye to all of you. And please, please, please take care of your parents. Parents are the most, I don't want to say anything. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.